Okay, brilliant. Today I'm back with another video and I'm going to teach you guys how to embed PayPal buttons into your Blocs website. So what you want to do, first step is to Google PayPal button into the Google search engine and then click on the top one, buy now buttons. See, I've already been on it before. And then you come to this page, create your button now, and then it should come up with a range of options how to create your button. So you've got the option here, it could be a donation, a shopping cart, subscription, installment plan. We're going to leave it as a buy now for now. I'm going to call it shoe. First thing that comes to my head. Price, gonna do it in English. So say this shoe is worth £20. Item ID is optional. Yeah, you can assign item ID. So unless you've got a lot of products, it's not really worth doing that. Customize text or appearance. So use smaller button if you want. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of the credit cards. United Kingdom English. Select pay now or you can have a pay now or buy now button. Doesn't make a difference. So pay now just says pay now, buy now it says buy now. You can use your own button image as well. Match the look of your website. What's that? There you go. So you can put in the H. Yeah, I wouldn't mess around with that. I'd just leave the PayPal button because people know it's PayPal then things. So shipping. Oh, go back. Shipping £2.10. Tax rate, I think it's 18%, and then email address. I'm just going to leave that blank for a minute. And I'm also going to log in to my PayPal account here. You probably want to make a PayPal account before doing this, but assuming you probably would already, so you can get your payments based pretty much. Use my primary email address. And so the money's going to be sent to my email address. Track profits. So this bit, save your button at PayPal. You can track inventory. Don't oversell item in stock. You can do that if you want. So you can quantity in stock. We'll say it's 20. Alert quantity. So when it will tell you when inventory falls to the number 5, that means when it'll tell us. Can customers buy the item when out of stock? Nope. Customize advanced features. What have you got on here? Do you want to let your customer change order quantities? No. Can you customize special instructions? Yes. Take customers to your own the accounts. Probably leave that blank. Then you just want to create button. Give it a minute to load, and then it will give you sold that redirect is required. Okay, so I'm not going to put that in for now, just because it caused a bit of an error. But we're going to carry on, and then you get sent to this page here. Now this, if you know, Blocs only supports iframes currently, so doesn't support raw HTML brick elements, unfortunately. So what you're gonna have to do is take a copy of all this and literally just bear with me for a minute. Take a copy of it, like I've just done, and just leave it in your clipboard for a minute. Now, if you hop into Blocs, you'll see I've made a really badly presented, quickly sketched up e-commerce kind of template. Pretend these two images are products images, and then you got titles. So picture. I want to create this. I'm gonna call this one shoe. So this way I want to put the button underneath, have a bit of information about your product, and then your button usually would go underneath, but you're unable to do this currently. So what we're going to have to do actually is we're going to have to export, finish the website, and then at the end when you finish your website, go up to Blocs. Then we want to go onto our desktop here. Where is it? New site 7. Then what you want to do is you're going to open up in a text editor. Personally, my favorite text editor is brackets. So you want to open that up, and then here you have new site 7, and so you get all of your templates here and things. So here you need to look down. So you need to look for certain elements. So you'll see column 6. It's kind of hard to explain, but so you'll see shoe, and so you know that's your section, everything underneath. So then you've got your paragraph and all your information, and just below the P tag in my particular document is where you want to paste your PayPal button there. Just dump it in. And yeah, that's pretty much all you've got to do, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with that in. So let's have a look. See, and then you get your PayPal buy now button, really discreet there on the bottom of shoe. If we click it, it should take me to my PayPal window, and there you go. And you can log in and pay with PayPal, and it tells you how much you have to pay. That's your standard PayPal screen if you're going to pay for something through PayPal, and basically that's what the button does. It's very hard to actually make the element do anything. But yeah, that's pretty much the best you're gonna get currently. That's how you embed a raw PayPal button. I'm gonna have a play around with this, and I'll come back if I manage to get the CSS working. Probably should do if I do form. Then we do ID call it PayPal, and then I go on new site, save. If we find new site 7, open that up instead, open up the index, and you'll see the PayPal code here. So we go on to Form ID PayPal, so we go right to the bottom of this, underneath here. So what's this? Here we go. If we open up a brand new, at the bottom go hashtag PayPal, give it a new, open that up, and then we're going to give a line content, give it center, do that. Let's see if that has any difference. Might not have any difference whatsoever. We'll give it a go anyway. So file, save, give this a refresh. No, clearly it doesn't have a lot of difference, but yes, so you guys could play around with the CSS. I'm probably like doing it wrong or something like that, but yeah, if you guys do hashtag PayPal because it's an ID, you should be able to play around with that bit of CSS. I won't leave anything in the description. I'll leave a link to the PayPal button thing actually, but that's probably the best you're going to do, to be fair, on the PayPal button. So thank you for watching this PayPal button tutorial, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.